What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to another update video of Memeclip, this new play-to-earn crypto coin and game that is coming out. Guys, I'm gonna give you an update here because also on crypto news there are articles out now about Memeclip. I bought into this new play-to-earn crypto coin and also I want to give you my opinions about these price predictions that you can see here already in different articles about this new upcoming crypto. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel. My name is Alessandro, I'm updating you every day whatever is going on here in the crypto space, especially when it comes to new cryptos that I'm buying up right now. And you know that I'm always watching out those new low market cap coins to buy in and of course also to be invested in the early access phase to have this huge upside potential, because in the past we have seen many coins performing pretty well. Of course, not always we can hope for getting huge gains with all of those new cryptos, but at least if we are invested, then of course we have the chance to achieve that. And here on Memeclip, I think that we have a very interesting new project that is upcoming. Also, we have different crypto websites that are mentioning Memeclip always as one of the best upcoming play-to-earn crypto game to have a look at right now, and of course also to be invested in if you want. And that's why if you want to get on board, the link is of course in the video description here for Memeclip. So you check out the website here with the official website link, guys. And of course remember, I'm not a financial advisor. All content here is no financial advice. I'm sharing everything that I'm trading, whatever I'm buying and selling here in the crypto space since 2017 with you. So I'm here to entertain you. I'm just sharing all my own predictions and price analysis and so on with you guys, and sharing everything what I'm buying and selling, and of course my own opinions about those projects. And why I'm bullish for Memeclip: first of all, it is in the early stage phase. We can invest into this coin for a fraction of a cent, so you can also just buy a few coins here, whatever you want, and you can of course also just connect your wallet here and select different chains and currencies to buy in. I am currently of course also staking those coins because the API is insane high. That means that if you're buying a certain amount of coins, and thanks to the high API, you're gonna get a lot of coins basically for free almost. I mean, this is the staking rewards that you're getting, and this is quite high because not many people have invested yet into this coin, but more and more articles are coming out, and I think before this one is getting so hyped, it is of course good to be invested into this one here as well. And there are now different articles coming out talking about this new Memeclip coin and project, because this one here is not only bringing out new crypto games, but also here we can basically play the games, earn the coins, or directly buy into the coin before the launch. Later on, you can only trade it on exchanges once this one is going live, and of course also play those games that they're bringing out and earn there the coins. So the more you play, the more coins you can earn here. One is already out, this Subway Meme Rush. This one you can already play around. Of course, you can already now collect the coins if you have time. You cannot trade it yet since the coin is not live yet, but you can otherwise also just get in this coin without playing the game, but just buying during the pre-market phase. I think this is quite interesting because right now you can accumulate more and more and also stake more and more until this one is coming out. So you can do both, play the game and of course also invest into this coin before it is launching. More coins are upcoming. They also gonna have their own NFTs. You can check out all here in their website. They also have this fortune quickie that you can open up every day, and of course also check out on OpenSea their NFTs as well. Next to be subscribed here on this channel, because I keep you updated on this platform here on Memeclip, and of course also whenever new NFTs are coming out and so on, I keep you updated, and also once a new game is coming out. So be subscribed here and also check their own social media platforms, because they are also getting bigger and bigger, and also they're posting always new stuff here. So if you want to keep track here with the updates on this project, then feel free to join it. They are all accessible here through the official website, of course. And here on different articles, there are already some price predictions out here based on this website for this year, next year, and 2030. I think 2030 because time-wise also the crypto market overall should be in a new cycle then. And you can see that already for this year the average price is 3 cents for this year, the average. And here this is the potential low and the potential high that this could achieve. And looking at the current price that we can invest right now, this is of course already like at least a 10x or something like that. So that's why it is of course very interesting, and I think that that's why also many people will get on board, because the sooner the altcoin season will start, the more people then will jump into such new coins like Memeclip, which could be of course the next big thing here in the play to earn games section here in the crypto space, because I believe that the future of gaming is together with crypto, and such projects like Memeclip, of course, are important to have, because also here we're gonna have different mobile games with meme elements. That means that not only existing memes like Doge, Pepe, Shiba, and so on will be integrated in such games. In the future, maybe we're gonna have new meme coins, like for example this Bitcoin Hyper here, also be a big meme coin, or Token 6900 to be a meme coin, or even Snorter. We have so many new upcoming meme coins that you of course also can check out here with the links in the video description of all of those new memes that are upcoming. If some of them are going to be successful, then of course Memeclip also will take the chance most likely and create dedicated games of those memes, like the ones that are upcoming here with Popcats or Doge and so on. And that's why I'm so bullish for this project, because I think whatever kind of next meme that we're gonna have, Memeclip always will profit from them, because if it's creating their specific games for those memes, then of course they have this upside potential also to be hyped just because of that. And that's why I'm also bullish for the project and also for the token. I am invested, of course. I bought into this coin. I'm also staking the coins. I'm basically just waiting now for the launch. Whenever you're buying into such new coins, of course you have high risk, but also you buy in with whatever amount that you're basically willing to lose, and then you stake those coins, because anyway you keep accumulating more and more coins, and then at launch you're ready. Because if it's going to the moon immediately, then you have already accumulated a lot of coins. If not, you can also just keep it here on the website and keep staking it before claiming the coins into your wallets, and then of course later on maybe trade it on exchanges or DEXs once this one is coming out. So I am bullish for Memeclip. I believe that there are different price predictions that of course are bullish, but you never can really count on those price predictions. It's very hard to tell even for tomorrow at what price that the coins will be trading at. So imagine if you have to do a prediction in the next year or next 5 years, many things can happen. But of course the overall outlook is bullish here also for this website here. And of course whenever people or articles are talking bullish about a project that is in the early stage phase, then of course this makes me believe that at least it has the chance here to perform pretty well. And that's why, if you're interested, of course, get on board, guys. We have so many new ICOs coming out, like also Token 6900, Snorter, Bitcoin Hyper, the ones that I just mentioned. You can see the complete list here in the video description of all new hyped upcoming meme coins and utility coins, and Memeclip is definitely one that you should not miss out. I'm gonna put it right here at the top in the video description. Remember that this is of course no financial advice. You can also just play the games and earn the coins. I think this is also already enough of a fan factor just to play games in the future and be rewarded with cryptos that are worth something in the future. I think that this is already something. Of course, no guarantees, nothing, guys. Who knows how much this coin will come out, and also what it's going to do. Hopefully something great. And also if it's coming out time-wise, when everything will be mooning here in the crypto space, in my opinion, until the end of this year, then of course this project here also is great to invest right now. But of course, guys, as I told you, no financial advice. I'm just sharing my own opinions and whatever I think that a coin or a project will do. And since 2017, I'm here, guys, and so far we have been doing great, of course, and let's hope that also the rest of this year will be great, because I think that big things will be incoming, and that's why I'm not only accumulating more tier 1 cryptos that I want, but that are already on exchanges out, but also new low market cap coins that are launching freshly on exchanges and DEXs during this bull run. Alright, guys, that's it for now. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel, leave a like, and also subscribe. As soon as we reach 2,000 subscribers, guys, I'm gonna do a nice giveaway worth of $100 worth of meme coins. So make sure to be subscribed here, and also join my other social media platforms on X, TikTok, Telegram, Instagram, and so on. Check it out, guys. Stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.